What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. Today we'll be installing some LED light bulbs on the wifey's car. So we have some LED headlight bulbs from Lamp. We also have LED light bulbs from Autoone. We have reverse LED bulb as well as brake lights, strobe lights. So I'll be doing separate videos for the installation. Make sure to stay tuned. Alright, so for today's video we'll be working on my wife's 2019 Honda Civic. So that is the 10 gen Honda Civic. This works with the 10 gen, any Civic models from like your Civic Type R to your EX Civic. This is what this is, your LX, any model. We'll be working on the rear end today and be installing the LED reverse bulbs. So first things first, very easy install, takes about less than 5 minutes. You're gonna pop the trunk. And in order to do this install, we do have to remove the tail lights, so we're going to do one side at a time. Okay, so to remove it, all you really need is either a 5/16 ratchet, or if you don't have a ratchet, that's fine, because on the 10 gen Honda Civics, you can look at this bolt is actually a cross-tip Phillips screwdriver. So either one works. I have a 5/16, so let's go ahead and loosen it. Lefty loosey, and there's one here. Second one here, so there's two of them. You're going to loosen them all the way. Alright, so two bolts are out just like that. So once you have that removed, this thing should, oh look, just one hand I can kind of get it. I'm going to go ahead and rest my camera. I'm going to slowly, gently remove the tail light, and then from the back we'll be able to see where the bulbs are. Alright, so it's the first time I'm removing it fairly tight. So once these two are out, you're going to go ahead and remove it. I'm going to pop it this way. So it's actually held in by two of these little prongs right here. These two little white prongs, little clips that are clipped in here. So what you want to really do is use one hand, try to pull it, other hand try to push it. Be gentle, because you want to make sure that tail light doesn't scratch the paint on the bumper. So now that that's loose, I get to see what I'm working with. Alright, so here is on the back end, and we'll be changing out the reverse bulbs LED from halogen. Separate video will also do the brake light bulbs. So same thing, you do need to remove your tail light. So this is where the reverse bulb's gonna be. You guys can peek in there. Whenever you throw this car in reverse, there's going to be that bulb right down there. So, which is the bottom bulb right here. And the passenger side is already removed, but let's show you guys the driver's side. So, there's really three bulbs here. This one in the red, you have a bulb right there. That is your brake light. So when you step on the brakes, this whole part will illuminate. And then right here is the orange bulb, so whenever you change lanes, you have your turn signals on, this orange bulb will blink, amber light. And then this right here on the bottom is kind of like a clear bulb, and whenever you reverse, that's going to be white. But that's in halogen, and we're replacing it to LEDs. So based off the other side, like I said, the bottom one is going to be this guy, lefty loosey, twist right out. There you have it. Pops right off, easy. And this right here will be replacing it, LEDs. It says on the back, this is only used for backup reverse light. You guys are wondering what the size is. Fits a 906, 912, 921, T15, 12 volt. So yeah, let's go ahead and compare it with the stock halogen bulb. Look at that huge difference. Stock halogen bulb, LED bulb, clips right in. So yeah, it's going to be so much brighter and going to last a lot longer as well. Alright, so LEDs, same exact spot, just clips right in. There you go, clipped in nice and snug. Gonna feed it back in the same hole. This time lefty loosey to loosen. Go in is righty tighty. And then just like how we have it out, you're gonna go ahead and clip the sides first, the little two plastic white clips, line it up, make sure it's nice, and then you're gonna push it in. Finally, you're gonna put these two screws back in place, 1, 2, and you're gonna use your ratchet or your screwdriver and tighten both of them, top and bottom. Alright, so before we button everything up and replace the other side, let's go ahead and turn the car on and show you guys the difference when I throw it in reverse, how much brighter the LED is. Alright, so there you have it. Halogen on that side, on the driver's side. Halogen, passenger side LED, so much brighter on this side. Especially at night, you're going to see a huge difference. So right now, let's knock out the driver's side. So same exact steps. You're going to use either your Phillips crosshead screwdriver or your 5/16 ratchet. Remove 1, 2, pop this right out, and then remove the bottom bulb, swap it right in. Super easy DIY. And bam, just like that, both sides are done. Let's go ahead and switch on the car, throw it in reverse, show you guys the finished product. Like I said, super easy. All you really need is a flat tip Phillips screwdriver, which most people have. So even if you don't have a 5/16 ratchet, that's fine, but really easy DIY that I highly recommend. At night when you reverse, back your car up, it's gonna look so much brighter. There you have it, super easy DIY. Highly recommend switching out all your LED bulbs to everyone. Honestly, at the time of shooting this video is 2024. I think all cars should come in LEDs as a standard, but it's pretty sad to see still halogen bulbs. LED bulbs last longer, they look brighter, well, they look nicer, they run a lot brighter. Yeah, I just think it's way better tech. I know back in the day when I started modifying cars, we switched it to HIDs. And then now obviously LEDs. Yeah, so we did the reverse lights. The next video we'll be doing a separate one replacing the brake lights. Pretty much the same process, really easy, whether you're a car enthusiast or not. As long as you own a car, first thing I always like to recommend is you get a new car. If your car doesn't have LEDs, swap out everything from halogen to LEDs, whether it's the interior light bulbs, your headlights, your high beams, your reverse lights, brake lights, everything should be LEDs. So hope you guys like it. Leave a thumbs up. If you guys want to check out more DIY videos, we have a how-to installation DIY separate playlist on this channel, so make sure to check that out. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.